Hello guys, and today, this is my fifth one, I think. My fifth video. I just got an idea from another YouTuber that I saw on YouTube that, I think this room over here, yeah, there it is. I just saw another YouTuber, I'm gonna have to do like small guns on this one, but yeah. Another YouTuber did something like this. Let me just build it. Build it. Just a second. Just a second. There's a lot of twos in here, and I do not like them. Something like this, and then a gun should come in here, like this, or not like that. Need like a small one. Binoculars you do it, right? Or flashlight. Flashlight works, right? Right? I have no clue if they work. Flashlights to see in the dark, like if it's like darkness, you get it. Alright, and then there's gonna be like two guns on there, so just like two. There's a body in there.
Hi.
Hi. I hate it when it just like escapes. Like that. There. Will it escape now? Yes, it will. Here we go. This is what I need. No, it is not. What?
What are these for? These for your iPhone? Camera?
Yeah, I guess.
Right? Don't leave them there so you lose them. Kristen. Come back in here. Where do you want them? So you don't lose them.
I want it with you.
Like right here?
Yeah. In that low. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. So I'm just gonna use this, something like that. Then put it in there. Like this. Put it in like that, and then they'll just grab it from there, and then you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Now, oh. Just in case if a ninja comes in and wants one of these. I don't know, I'm just making stuff up. Like if a guy wants to be a ninja, they can do that. Like that. Oh, and that's small, so I can possibly need that thing again. Where is it? Found a 1x6. Yay. I'll take this corner piece and put it right there, I guess. In the next video, I'm gonna find it. The last. Jumping all around, huh? You wanna jump her all around. Then I'm gonna do it like this and like so. Is there a corner piece in here? No. Never mind, that's just good. Like that. More guns or weapons. Then I'm just gonna put it in like that. Instead of like guns on the wall, I could just do that. And then, oh, jeez. Oh, whoa! I didn't see the time there. I gotta pause it. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, press the like button, comment, subscribe. This is Christian Solange signing out. Peace. Peace.